Well, former President Agyekum Kufuor has asked the youth to go into cocoa farming because the sector has so many prospects.
He said for a country blessed with vast fertile lands, it is unfortunate that the average age of a cocoa farmer is 51 years.
Former President Kufuor was speaking at the Green Ghana lecture series to mark the 25th anniversary of the Kuapa Kokoo Co-operative Farmers and Marketing Union in Accra.
With an average annual production of 800,000 tons, Ghana is the world's second largest cocoa producer after Côte d'Ivoire. Almost all cocoa grown in the country is produced by smallholder farmers with ages ranging between 50 years and above. In spite of the prospects that the sector holds, the youth are not attracted to it. However, a few of them have made cocoa farming their full-time business. The situation, according to the Ministry of Agriculture, is worrying because it can lead to a drop in Ghana's cocoa production. Speaking at the 25th anniversary lecture of the Kuapa Kokoo Co-operative Farmers and Marketing Union, the president of the union, Madam Fatima Ali, said in a bid to support young cocoa farmers, Kuapa Kokoo has secured improved and high-yielding cocoa pods from Cocoa Board for the establishment of nurseries.
We will train the youth to go into farming so that when we grow old, they will take over from us.
The Tepamahine Nana Eduse Achiniwa Ampem urged chiefs in cocoa growing areas to make acquisition of land for cocoa farming less cumbersome. The Chief of Staff, Mrs. Fremosel Paris, said the Abidjan Declaration signed between Ghana and Côte d'Ivoire is one of the major steps taken by government to address challenges in the cocoa sector.
The World International Prize has seen some decline recently, and the projections seem to say that this will continue to about 2020. In this regard, the government of Ghana is committed to negotiating favorable terms with World Cocoa Foundation and the International Cooperation on Cocoa towards improved and stable pricing for Ghana's cocoa.
Former President Agyekum Kufuor urged stakeholders in the cocoa sector to formulate policies that will attract the youth into cocoa farming.
According to Cocoa Board, the average age of a cocoa farmer in Ghana is 51 years as at 2015. This is not good for a country with youthful population as ours. Cocoa is the mainstay of Ghana's economy and has been since the colonial era. Today, Ghana produces up to 800,000 tons of premium cocoa annually. This combination of history and economic reputation, now as a lower middle income country, places cocoa at the center of the Ghanaian agricultural identity.
Former presidents Jerry John Rawlings and Agyekum Kufuor were awarded for their contributions towards the growth of the cocoa sector. The Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology also emerged winners of an intertertiary debate on the cocoa sector.